This video is sponsored by Coates, manufacturers of tire changers, wheel balancers, lifts, and accessories. Visit coatesgarage.com for more information.
I'm Patty Renner, editor of Tire Review. Go to any industry event, and if you're lucky, you'll find another tire dealer or two to connect with and to share ideas. With that in mind, we asked top tire dealers from across the country to share their best advice and ideas with you on video. Welcome to Top Shop Tips.
Hi, I'm Pat Flesch with Community Tire Pros out of Phoenix, Arizona. How do you communicate with your customers? We've found a program that works really well for us, and it's called BayIQ. Points. Who uses points? Walgreens, Fry's, Kroger's. I know you use them. We use them too. We average between 500 and 700,000 points a month, or monies that we're able to give back to our customers, because now they're kind of loyal and married to us because they've got a little money, or we call it a piggy bank, that they can go to when they get their cars repaired. So if you don't have a point system or a reward system, you need to look into BayIQ. You'll be amazed how your business will grow. When you're looking at a rewards program, you want to look at the benefits from it. The average ticket that has increased in our company has gone up $65 per ticket. Now that's a huge benefit. We recreated that rewards program to use it towards your manufacturer recommended services, but now they're using them for everything else, and that's service and repair, and maybe that untimely timing chain. So they can stockpile it or use it for a huge service, such as a set of tires, alignment. So if you're looking for something that might be beneficial to your business, look at BayIQ.